Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Lexus GX 470. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 192,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.